Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of pure berry bliss. Get ready to bake the most wonderful raspberry cream pie. It's seriously the best ever. Trust us, your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we begin our baking extravaganza, let's round up the ingredients. This is the moment where we gather our culinary team, the essential players who will come together to create a masterpiece. Each ingredient has its own unique role, and together, they will create something truly magical. Think of them as our all-star team, ready to create magic in the kitchen. Just like a sports team, each ingredient has its own position and purpose. The flour provides the structure, the sugar adds sweetness, and the butter brings richness. When combined, they create a symphony of flavors and textures that will delight your taste buds. For the crust, use 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/4 cup of sugar. The crust is the foundation of our dessert, providing a crunchy and flavorful base that complements the creamy filling. The graham cracker crumbs add a toasty, slightly sweet flavor, while the sugar enhances the overall sweetness. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. The melted butter binds the graham cracker crumbs and sugar together, creating a cohesive crust that holds its shape. The unsalted butter allows us to control the saltiness of the final product, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors. For the filling, use 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sugar. The filling is the heart of our dessert, providing a rich and creamy texture that contrasts beautifully with the crunchy crust. The cream cheese adds a tangy flavor, while the sugar sweetens the mixture to perfection. 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. The heavy whipping cream adds a luxurious, velvety texture to the filling, making it light and airy. The vanilla extract enhances the overall flavor, adding a subtle hint of warmth and sweetness. For the topping, use 1 12-ounce package of frozen raspberries, thawed, and 1/4 cup of sugar. The topping is the crowning glory of our dessert, adding a burst of color and flavor. The raspberries provide a tart contrast to the sweet filling, while the sugar balances the tartness, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Now that we have gathered all our ingredients, we are ready to embark on our baking adventure. Each component is essential, and together, they will create a dessert that is greater than the sum of its parts. So, let's get started and create something truly delicious. Remember, baking is not just about following a recipe. It's about putting your heart and soul into every step. Enjoy the process, savor the moments, and most importantly, have fun. First things first, preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because a well-preheated oven ensures even baking, giving your crust that perfect golden brown finish. Now, grab your trusty pie plate. A 9-inch one will do the trick. This size is ideal for most pie recipes, providing ample space for your delicious fillings while ensuring the crust bakes evenly. Time to make our crust. Combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. The graham cracker crumbs give the crust a delightful crunch, while the sugar adds a touch of sweetness. The melted butter binds everything together, creating a rich, buttery base. Mix it all up until it resembles wet sand. This texture is key because it ensures the crust will hold together without being too dense. The mixture should be evenly moistened, with no dry spots. Press this mixture into the bottom and sides of your pie plate. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers to press it firmly and evenly. This step is important to create a solid base that won't crumble when you slice into your pie. We're building a sturdy foundation for all that creamy, fruity goodness. A well-pressed crust ensures that your pie will hold its shape and provide a satisfying crunch with every bite. Whether you're making a classic cheesecake, a refreshing key lime pie, or a decadent chocolate tart, this graham cracker crust is the perfect base. Take a moment to smooth out the crust, ensuring it's even all around. This attention to detail will pay off when you see the beautiful, uniform crust after baking. If you want to get a bit fancy, you can even crimp or decorate the edges of the crust. This adds a lovely touch to the presentation and shows the care you've put into your baking. Once your crust is ready, it's time to bake it. Place it in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 10 minutes. This pre-baking step, also known as blind baking, helps to set the crust and prevent it from becoming soggy when you add the filling. Set your timer for 10 minutes and let the oven work its magic. During this time, you can start preparing your filling, whether it's a creamy custard, a tangy fruit mixture, or a rich chocolate ganache. Keep an eye on the crust as it bakes. You're looking for a light golden brown color, which indicates that the crust is perfectly baked and ready to hold your delicious filling. Once the crust is done, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. This cooling step is crucial because it allows the crust to firm up, ensuring it will hold its shape when you add the filling. And there you have it, a perfectly baked graham cracker crust, ready to be filled with whatever your heart desires. This Buttery Foundation is the key to a delicious pie that will impress your family and friends. Now for the creamy filling. This is the heart of our dessert, the luscious layer that brings everything together. It's all about achieving that perfect velvety texture that melts in your mouth. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar together until smooth and fluffy. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for our filling. Make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature to avoid any lumps. We want it light and airy, like a cloud. The goal is to incorporate as much air as possible, giving our filling that delightful, melt-in-your-mouth quality. Take your time and enjoy the process. Next, add the heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract. The cream adds richness, while the vanilla brings a hint of sweetness and aroma that elevates the entire dish. Pour it in slowly, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the cream cheese mixture. Keep beating until the mixture forms stiff peaks. This is the moment of truth. The stiff peaks indicate that the filling has reached the perfect consistency. It should hold its shape, but still be smooth and creamy. This is where those arm muscles come in handy. Whisking can be a workout, but it's worth it for that perfect texture. If you're using a hand mixer, move it around the bowl to mix everything evenly. And remember, patience is key. The more effort you put in, the better the result. Enjoy the process and the delicious reward that awaits. Remember those raspberries we thawed? It's their time to shine. In a separate bowl, gently mash them with the remaining sugar. We're aiming for a chunky texture, not a complete puree. Now, spread this beautiful raspberry mixture evenly over the cream cheese filling. Doesn't it look tempting already? Get ready to unwind because patience leads to perfection. Let's embrace the thrill of taking it easy. All right, time for a little break. For the pie, that is. Cover it carefully with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. It's here, the grand finale, unveiling your masterpiece. Drum roll, please. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. Gently take that spectacular pie out of the refrigerator and let the anticipation build. Slice it into generous portions, grab your favorite fork, and go ahead, take that first delicious bite. Let the flavors dance on your palate and savor the sweet triumph of your creation. Let's keep the good vibes flowing. Remember, sharing is caring. So let's spread the berry love far and wide. We're so proud of you for creating this masterpiece. Now it's time to share the love and the pie. Snap a photo of your creation and share it with us on social media. You can even share it in the comments below. We can't wait to see your Berrylicious masterpieces. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Until next time, happy baking.